Hello everyone. Today I'll show you the quickest way I know to start a wood stove. Let's get started. Alright, so for this you'll need a few small pieces of wood, a couple of bigger ones, newspaper and cardboard if you like. Alright, so here's what you need to do. First, place the bigger pieces, one on this side and one on the other side, leaving a space between both pieces. Okay. Next, place the small ones on top, like so. About a finger or 2 centimeters apart, one from the other. Alright, and then place a second layer on top of these ones, like so, in the opposite direction, So as you can see, you have a space here that we'll use for the paper, for the newspaper, to get the fire started. And then you have this one's going in this direction and the other one's across, like so. So you get space for the air to circulate. The fire will burn the small pieces here and is going to propagate upwards towards the next layer of wood. And finally place some bigger pieces on top of this layer here. Always in the opposite direction than the ones below. There we go. So all we have to do now is to grab some newspaper, place it in that gap here. Alright, I'll add some cardboard. I'll place it on top of the newspaper. Alright, like so. And we'll get the fire started. So here we go. As the newspaper burns quicker than cardboard, I'll put a few other pieces of cardboard below. And that's it. As you saw, it took me, about a minute or so to get the fire going inside a wood stove. So, yeah, let me know in the comments if you know someone else who start the fire this way, or if you've done it this way. You know, I'm sure as there's nothing new under the sun, I'm sure there's even a name for this technique or something. So let me know, alright? I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.